Hello children, how are you? I think you all are fine. I am also fine. I think just now you seen that what am I doing? Yes, I am sanitizing my hands with the sanitizer so that I could get protected from the germs. And I am sure that you are also protecting yourself by washing your hands regularly with the soap. So in this way you are preventing yourself from getting infected over there. So today I am Suchita Dubey going to discuss some preventive measures how to keep yourself safe in the different situation. We will first discuss about the outdoor safety. Outdoor is of two types. One is of temporary when you go outside your house for some hours, and another is when we travel to the different places over there. So when you go for the temporary outdoor, like you want to play with your friends, you want to play in the park, so in that way you should inform your parents that you are going to whom, where you are going, how much time you will spend over there, how many friends are there with you, and you should give your mobile number of your friends to your mother or your parent so that they should contact you. Second, when you play outside, don't talk with the strangers. It is very dangerous to talk with the strangers to whom you don't know over there. Second type of outdoor safety is that when we travel to the various places. So while traveling, we should know the weather condition of that particular place so that we could keep the things according to the weather, like the clothing that we should wear. Suppose we are traveling to the hill places, so we should have the clothes accordingly, like the woolen clothes or jackets or blankets with us. Suppose we are going for the climbing, then we should have the necessary equipment according to them. When we are going for the camping, then carry extra blankets, fresh food and fresh water with you. If you are going for the hiking, then the tools or boots which are necessary for that. It means while outdoor, we should have all the necessary things with us to keep us safe from that various conditions. We should always carry the medicines which are required for that outdoors, like stomachache or headache or fever with us. Next we are going to discuss about the water bodies. Water, when we talk about the water, or when we just imagine about the seas or oceans or river, lake or the swimming pool also, how fascinating it is. We cannot control ourselves by going near to that water body. But don't go near the edges of water bodies as they are very slippery. Secondly, the water bodies are very deep, so it may be chances of drawn out over there. So what the precautionary measures should be taken near the water body? Number one, always wear the life jacket while boating or enjoying the water sports. Wear the swimming gear if you are learning the swimming. Don't go towards the deep end of the swimming pool though you know the swimming then also. Always go inside the swimming pool with the instructor or the adult over there. So enjoy the water sports or going near the water bodies with the adults and keep these safety measures with you. Third safety that we have to keep always is the fire. The most dangerous, and the fire that is caused by the electricity is the most dangerous. What we always used to do, we always put off that fire with the water. But keep it in your mind that whenever that fire caused by the electricity, don't douse it. Means don't put off that fire with the water. Instead of that, use the sand to put off the fire. So always keep it in your mind that if the fire is caused by the electricity, we should douse it with the sand, not with the water. Second thing, that if any person get infected by the fire, immediately roll that person in the blanket and roll it out so that that fire should be put off over there. Always apply the antiseptic like the Bernol on that, and then take that patient towards the doctor for that. Now I am going to tell you about the safety measures that should be taken related to the food and drinking water. Food, the word itself makes us hungry. When we close our eyes, then just imagine so many delicious dishes that come to our mind, like gupchup, bhel, pizza, chow mein, dosa. Yummy over there, but we should be careful while eating these food. First of all, we should avoid eating food from the roadside vendors as it may contain the germs or the dust. Always eat the fresh food and the covered food so that you should not be prone to the diseases. Third, don't eat stale food as you may suffer from the food poisoning. Always wash your hands before and after eating your food over there. Avoid eating the junk food. Children, do you know who is the best chef in the world? Just think. How many names do you know? But I think the best chef in the world is your mummy. Yes, nobody can make the delicious food as she can. So always eat the fresh food that is prepared by your mother. Now the drinking water. You must have seen at your home that whenever your mother fills the water, she uses the separate container for the drinking water and the cooking water. She always keep that container covered and always fill the fresh water. Because the stale water or the uncovered water can carry the germs and dust and through which we can fall ill. So always drink the clean and pure water. Third thing is always cover the drinking and cooking water. Do not dip your finger in the drinking water as the dust or the germs that stick to your finger can goes to the water and you may suffer from the diseases. So if we are not able to follow these safety rules, definitely we are going to fall ill and there are so many communicable diseases. You know that what is communicable disease? No. The communicable disease is the disease which can be spread from an infected person to a healthy person. So to keep ourselves we should have the safety rules as I told you before over here. So whenever you are going outside, you are going near water bodies or when you see the fire or while you are eating the food or the water, always keep these safety measures in your mind and follow it accordingly and have a happy, long and